Yeah, good.
The Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe is lightweight to use and has a detachable canister for portable cleaning. With never loses suction technology and anti-allergen complete seal technology, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe provides powerful cleaning and keeps dust and allergy-causing particles where they belong. Swivel steering allows easy maneuvering under and around obstacles on carpet and bare floors.
I really did watch like a video of someone vacuuming, and I was like, that's pretty good. We need, we need a, we need another satisfying video of somebody vacuuming.
This Shark bagless upright vacuum available at your local Badcock Home Furniture and More right now on sale through the month of November. $199.95. Come check it out.